Hey everybody, we're back for video 2. Thank you for coming.
No, video 3?
No. Oh yeah, well, the popcorn one.
No, it wasn't. It was just her who made the popcorn one.
We want to give a couple shout outs to some people. Oh, I forgot my thing out in the kitchen. I'll go get it. You talk. Give a shout out to Sophia.
Sophia, Malman, and I'll just wait for her. Although we did get a few Horizon.
Huh? Did you give a shout out to Sophia? Hey Sophia. Thank you for your for subscribing. And I got a special shout out for Keegan Calgren. He made me this awesome good luck ornament. We'll see how it helps this year. Fingers crossed. Also, we'd like to thank everybody that watched our video and subscribed. And we hope that you continue to follow us. But Ava wanted to try something today, and she says we don't need scissors, but I don't know about that.
Actually, I might go grab a pair of these.
Well, hurry up, because we don't want to keep people waiting.
Yeah, we weren't going to keep you waiting.
Get two.
Run.
And we're trying to be super, super quiet. No running with scissors! And we're trying to be super quiet. Pap's sleeping. You know, nap time. How's Baba? That's what he says. Here she comes. And she's running.
So,
oh, thank goodness. Oh, purple, my favorite color.
Wait. Okay, I don't fucking is my favorite color.
Okay, well, this is your thing. Here, what are we doing?
So, we're going to race
about
and
this.
see who can open up all the stuff first.
Fastest?
Yes.
We starting with this one?
Yes.
And what's
Try
this?
That is a fortune. That's Lucky Fortune. Lucky Fortune has one surprise in it, but this is the best friends version. So, hey, not time to cut yet.
Hurry.
Cut yet. Not time to cut yet. Three,
Number
2,
1.
1, go. I'm got it.
Oh, you have to open this too?
Oh, yeah, this is the whole main thing about it.
Stop.
Oh, cute.
What do you do? Pull this thing?
No.
See, she's going to win every one because I have no clue what I'm doing.
This
How
is
does it
my
work?
bracelet.
How does it work?
Game controller.
Help. Push the button?
No.
What? Oh. Man.
Lame-o. This is
Oh, look how pretty.
yeah.
Oh, it's got a butterfly.
It's not a butterfly. It's a game controller.
What is it?
It's a game controller. I got one too. It's a game controller. Hey, it's your favorite.
Hold on.
Wait,
Oh my gosh.
don't get too carried
I thought it
away.
was a butterfly.
It's a game controller. Okay,
That's
you're
funny.
getting carried away.
That's funny. What's this? Stickers?
No, you're getting carried away now.
Oh, sorry. Next.
Ooh, cute. No.
Don't do that at home.
No.
Pull.
It's a Barbie doll way.
Oh my gosh.
She can go into the shower.
Oh, look. Oh, look how cute.
We're best friends.
Look how adorable.
Okay.
Oh, it comes with this cute little seashell. Can I take this into the shower with me?
Yeah.
No, I'll give it to Sissy.
No, I don't want it.
No, that's yours. This is Sissy's.
No.
Okay. Next one is...
This unicorn thing.
Is that what you got?
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, I see an arrow here.
Wait.
So.
A minute. Where did that come? Wait, no.
What?
Wait.
What? How is yours opening different? Oh. You ravel it. Oh. Ava's very, very competitive. And now there's another thing on it.
And it's clear plastic.
Wow.
So now I can open it. Well,
And this is a tab?
No, it's just
What?
a tab that opens the whole thing. So you should start
What
pulling.
do you do? Push the button?
No, it's those buttons. So I'll tell you. I don't know what to do from here. So
You
we're
don't?
just going to figure it out. Because
Oh,
I
wait a
never
minute.
had
This says
something like
something.
this. So this, you have to...
Made in China. Wow.
pull.
Oh, you pulled
I
that
figured
thing.
it out.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Unicorn. Oh,
Oh, you
shoot.
can collect all of
It's
these.
orange. It's an orange. Look, it's orange.
Look, you can collect them all.
Whoa, that's cool. It's a rainbow, literally.
See which one we got.
Whoa, look at that one. Shimmer is so beautiful. Look at
So you
Shimmer.
open the big one?
That's Shimmer right there, that gold one.
Oh,
Wait,
look how cute.
Yeah, you look
How
cool.
adorable.
Oh, I got Play-Doh.
But I don't know why he has a hole in his head.
I have Play-Doh.
Poor guy.
Yeah, you're gonna get something to put in it.
Oh.
Oh, here's its legs.
Stand up. Oh,
Put its wiggle legs
it has
so
hair.
I can see it.
That's what the hole is
I started
for.
to get a little fast, so I can do the first one down.
And this-
Ooh, sweet. I got some stickers and I got a hair comb and I got Play-Doh, stickers,
Oh, shoot.
and a hair comb in these two.
He has an eye patch. Ah.
You put it on wrong.
Oh, well. So you just open each of these things?
Yeah.
And what's this?
I got a bunch of shoes with Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
I got shoes and a skirt.
Each little thing has something in it. It's like
I think I got Shimmer.
peeling an orange.
Look who I got. I got...
Which one do I have? Where's their name? Trixie. I got Trixie. Oh, look. She got little shoes.
Ooh, look at this one.
Look,
I
they're
got like something from Egypt.
little elf shoes. They're so cute.
This is my unicorn without its wing.
And this must be a little wand. I'm not sure.
I don't know if I'm putting this one the right way or what.
Oh, I got a comb.
Okay, then we have to dress them up after we're done and show them what they hold.
And stickers. Boy, that's a good buy. That's a really good buy. How much was this? $5.98?
I think.
Yeah, that's awesome. You get a lot in there for that. That's a good.
Yep.
Good
I can't
buy,
get the
good buy.
skirt.
Good choice. Good pick.
Yeah, you have to dress them. Dress them.
No, we'll dress them later.
Okay.
'Cause
Wait.
I don't want to.
You have to wait till I put all this stuff in here. Those are cute.
Unicorn poop. That was unicorn poop. And you told me it was Play-Doh, and here it's poop.
I didn't know that.
That's what it says, and there's a warning for it. Okay, and this is l.o.l surprise l.o.ls.
Littles.
l.o.l.
This is my unicorn, by the way.
Peel here.
How did you find it already?
Oh, it said peel here.
This one works better than all the other ones.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, it's the name. I think I'm gonna get a
No,
baby.
it says I need a hammer.
Yeah, that's the baby's name.
Hammer plus snowman. It's a clue? What? I can't read that.
I'll read it. Don't open it till I read it. Bundle in no baby. Mine is Makeup Queen.
Makeup queen.
Yeah.
I think yours is going to be funner.
Oh. Because I have the hair series. You're...
Oh,
I
you
have-
got different.
Yeah.
Oh, this is
Ow, I hurt my finger.
neat looking. Not sure how you open it.
I hurt my finger.
Well, you need a screw. Oh,
Screwdriver to open it?
it's
No.
not wrapped in paper. Oh,
Ooh, I'm almost open. It's this whole thing.
man. Okay.
So I'm on my last wrap. This had more wraps in it.
So you have to open each bag separate.
Oh, that's to make the top of the snowman's face.
Stickers?
Yeah, that's for the snowman's face.
You gotta put it all together?
Yep. You have to get the pets, and you have to get the big sis.
Purse, citrus purse.
Wait,
You have to do what?
the nail work off.
Oh man.
I can't open
Look
this.
how adorable.
Wait, give me a starter. I can't open that part. Oh, I hurt my finger.
Were the arrows?
Yeah. Well, thank you. Because look what you got me
You're
here.
welcome.
You're going to need to open this.
Oh, little tiny shoes.
That's for the mom.
What?
Those are for the big sis.
Oh, I'm missing one. Why is there only 3 shoes? Is it some kind of a weird animal?
Yeah, it's for the animals.
So what? Now what's this?
That's for the baby to stand in. I think I got a baby.
This is adorable. So what does she go in here?
This is the baby.
I don't understand.
I have a baby or an animal.
So I don't understand, like, what are all the stickers for? They don't even go on her.
They go on this.
Oh, you have to make a snowman.
Ew, I got shoes or whatever this is.
Interesting. Well, we'll have to read the directions. We'll see what she got.
Yeah, you will.
Because I don't have no clue what I'm
You
doing.
1 second open this out.
Oh, be careful. Cut them.
I know I'm not going to cut
So
something.
are these the different ones you can collect?
Yep.
And this came in yours pack?
Where's the other shoe at?
Oh, look.
I got 2 shoes.
You got 2. I got 3. I love my hair. Bet you can't find me. Oh, she didn't open it yet.
I wonder which one. Wait. They don't show the babies with their shoes on. I got one sitting.
Sitting?
I could have got one.
That one looks like poop.
That one, that's not a baby. That's a hamster.
Swim club?
Here is my purse. Ew. It's like a camp purse.
Oh, look.
It's like camp.
It's like a log. Looks like heavy. Oh, it's hard.
I could have got an animal.
Throw that in.
Oh, I got a baby. I know who
look,
I
a
got.
bracelet. Comes with
It's
a bracelet.
not a bracelet. It's a hair curler.
Oh, really? Oh, let's try it.
Wait, there's still something in here.
Oh, man, this is old school. This is what Grammy used to do.
Then roll it in your hair. Roll it in your hair.
Hold on. This is Grammy. Old school Grammy. She used soup cans. We should do that one day. We should save tomato paste cans and roll our hair. I guess that was something they did back in the 50s.
I'm gonna try it easy.
Pretty cool. Oh, so this is the baby she got. Cute. And what's its name?
Ow, 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 ow.
I don't see your baby's name. Her? Little
Jet set.
Jet Set. Cute.
Little
Cute.
Jet
Purple
Set.
hair, pink
Set.
stripe. Cute.
Cute.
Okay,
Cute.
everybody.
Camo pants.
Thank you guys so much.
Okay,
for
let's
watching
show them
us.
all of our prizes that we
I
collected.
got this little guy.
So let's put all the clothes on.
Dan. Well, we're not gonna take their time.
So I got a baby in a purse. I'm putting the shoes in there. I got this cute little bracelet.
One downfall about all this stuff is all the junk that comes with it.
Yeah, there's
Like,
too much junk.
Tons of
Too
wrappers and
much.
papers. And
A little too much. You should see
Yeah.
my side. I'll show you my side
I
actually.
got
So
what I thought was a butterfly bracelet, but
it's a
it's
game
not.
controller. Oh,
Oh, and you took my little mermaid person. I got days. It comes in. These are really good buys at Walmart, and they're super cheap too.
So I'll show you all my trash.
All of these were, each of them were under $5.
Yeah. And you want to see our trash? Look at our trash. So it would mean it would be a mess.
Just make sure you don't pause. Okay. All right, everybody. This will be something fun to do in the wintertime, you know, girls. Even boys. I mean, there's unicorns and... Did they have boy stuff?
Yep, they had boy stuff at the store.
We didn't go down that aisle, but super fun. Entertaining. You get stickers.
I mean, how do the shoes go on the horse?
Huh?
I mean, how do the shoes go on the horse?
So,
Try and put the shoes on the unicorn. Not the horse, the unicorn, I meant. The unicorn.
all right.
So we won't keep you any longer after we dress our...
No, we're not going to dress them. And what we'll do is the next video, we'll have everything dressed and we'll show you at the beginning of the next video because we don't want to sit you through all that boring crap.
Put the shoes on.
Alright. Nice glittery shoes.
My unicorn.
Or to go out on the town.
Here, I'll fix your hair.
Oh, yeah. If you can get it off. Put on, they're kind of tight. Pap thinks we're just crazy.
Yeah. No, that was the ear hole that you put our unicorn.
We made a video the other night, not the popcorn one.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Of, we made, Ava watched a video on YouTube, 5-minute crafts. And we made these little bunnies out of rice and Pap's new socks.
No, just let me put the skirt on it. And then let's
Alright, I'll let her dress one and then we'll let you go.
The skirt's hard to put on it.
There was something else I wanted to say and I completely... Oh, school starts tomorrow.
Yeah.
Ava, are you excited to go back to school?
No.
Why not?
Because it's boring and...
No, school's fun.
My math class is the worst.
I used to love school.
I used to hate school. I still go.
I would, if I could go back, I'd trade in places. I'd go back.
I dropped my unicorn and I didn't even get to show you!
In a heartbeat, I'd go back. Maybe not elementary school. Because I had some bratty kids.
Grab attitude. I'm not just grabbing her clothing. I'm just not grabbing the unicorn, I'm grabbing those two.
Oh,
They
yeah.
bite me.
Still for New Year's. There's like 20 of them in here.
Yep, there's still one. And I got one too.
Okay. We're going to let you go. We've been on here
Hey, I
for
didn't show
18 minutes. Oh, hurry up. Come on.
I need to put the skirt on here, but I have no clue how to.
Please like our channel and subscribe if you haven't already. And
Subscribe.
thank you so much,
Subscribe
everybody.
already! You just subscribe everywhere in the middle. Subscribe if you didn't subscribe, or else I will hurt you with my unicorn.
Why don't you, if you're watching this, leave us a comment on something fun that you did over Christmas break.
Yeah.
Ava, what did you do that was fun?
Unbox those fun stuff.
Yeah. Played with all her toys.
I have no clue how to open those.
But everybody was pretty sick over break, so we didn't get to enjoy it too much. Huh?
I'm a little sick still.
Still stuffy. Sissy's sick. And we'll have to bring her on one time and introduce everybody to the crazy little thing. Huh?
Mean, crazy little. And this
She's
isn't
not
even
mean.
Play-Doh.
She's fun.
This isn't Play-Doh.
Yeah, it's unicorn poop. You
Feel it. Feel it. Literally feel it.
If you get that one, there's a warning in there about it. I don't know what it's for. I can't read that little.
Oh, really?
I think it's...
Warning. Choking hazard, small parts.
Oh, it's for the whole thing.
And
because it came with these tiny little shoes.
small balls not for children
Right.
under 3 years. Ooh, this smells like bubble gum. Ew, maybe it is bubble gum.
Oh, Ava lost a tooth. Show 'em. Check that out. She lost a tooth.
Last night.
Huh.
Wait. Ew, feel this, feel it.
Ew.
Smell it.
Ew.
Smell it.
Oh.
It smells like bubble gum.
Oh. It's non-toxic.
Yeah.
Don't eat it.
Ah.
Okay, seriously, we're gonna let you go.
It tastes like bubble gum for real. Seriously, nah.
We'll be back. I don't know if we'll be back this week, but maybe Saturday or Sunday next weekend. We have to figure out what we're gonna do and
All that junk.
yeah, keep y'all entertained. Maybe we'll bake a cake or something.
Or maybe we'll buy a bunch of toys.
No,
And
not again. Can't keep doing the same.
Boy toys.
Boy toys. Well, we could do that.
For the
Boy toys.
boys.
We could do that.
Boy LOLs. Oh no, definitely not boy LOLs. They're nothing like girl LOLs. Hazelyn took the clothes off of it, and she looks down and between his
Okay,
legs.
we don't want to talk about that. Now I have to edit the video. Okay, we're going to let you go. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment below and tell us what you did that was fun over your Christmas break. And now I got to edit the video again. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching.